How to dye your hair using black tea. If you are tired of using chemical-based colors on your hair and are dying to try something natural, it's time to dump them in the bin and head to the kitchen. You can very well miss that trip to the salon to get that touch-up to cover your gray hair and simply take a sip of the good old chai, literally. You will be surprised to know the beauty benefits of tea, especially black tea, in darkening gray hair. In this video, we are telling 5 black tea concoctions that can promise you dark black hair. Before going to watch this video, please subscribe our channel by click the red color button and press the bell icon to get all our video uploads by notification. 1. Black tea. Black tea is full of tannic acid which can darken your hair over time. Brew a few cups of very strong black tea, using 6 tablespoons or 6 tea bags, cool it and pour it through your hair. Let it soak for up to 30 minutes before rinsing out with warm water. 2. Coffee plus tea. It's a known fact that brewed ground coffee beans or instant coffee granules can temporarily stain your hair to dark brown, and you can mix coffee with tea for long-lasting results. All you need to do is boil 3 black tea bags into 3 cups of water. Now, add 3 tablespoons of instant coffee to the mixture. Boil the mixture for 5 minutes. Once the mixture has cooled down, take a brush or the hair color applicator and apply the concoction onto your hair. Let the liquid sit for an hour and rinse it off with regular water. 3. Black tea re-rinse. You need to make a strong black tea. Now, turn your hair upside down into the sink and rinse your hair with black tea. Let the liquid rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now, repeat the black tea rinse at least 2 to 3 times on your hair. This will give you a beautiful rich dark black color on your hair. 4. Black tea with herbs. Pour 7 black tea bags with 2 rosemary leaves and 2 oregano leaves and boil them completely. Now, apply the mixture all over your hair and let it sit for at least 1 to 2 hours depending on your hair length and the extent to which you want your hair to turn black. Wash off the liquid with normal water. 5. Black tea and Tulsi rinse. Pour 5 tablespoons of black tea with 5 leaves of Tulsi and boil them together. You can also add some drops of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Lemon juice will help to deal with the dandruff and infection issues on the hair, and this mixture will help you to regain black color on your hair. If this tip's helpful to you, hit like and comment below. Share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.